Good morning students, how are you? Students, in our previous video we have solved problems of exercise 6.2 and in this video we will solve some more problems of exercise 6.2 which are based on angles. So let us start question number 4 of exercise 6.2. Students, in this figure, in fact questions, we have given that this line PQ is parallel to ST. We write the given here, PQ is parallel to ST. Moreover, this angle PQR, it is of 110 degree, and next angle RST. This angle is equal to 130 degree. We have to find angle QRS. Which angle we have to find out? Angle QRS means this angle we have to find out. So to find this question, we have to make some construction here. What construction we will do? We will draw a line like this through point R such that this line should be parallel to ST. Suppose this line is X, Y. Then it will make two more angle with it. Suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2, and suppose this is angle 3. So this construction we will write here. What construction we will do? Draw a line through point R such that XY is parallel to ST. XY is parallel to ST. In this way we have to make this construction. Now start the solution of this, or you can say proof. So to find this angle QRS, first of all you take these two lines. You write as XY is parallel to ST. This is by construction, and this ST is parallel to PQ. This thing is given. So this implies all these three lines means PQ will be parallel to XY parallel to ST. Because reason you will mention, because lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. This is the reason for that. Now you take these two lines. Now PQ is parallel to what? XY, and this QR is transverse. This QR is transverse. So therefore, what will happen here? Therefore, angle 1 plus this angle 110, or firstly you can write angle 1 plus angle Q, that is equal to 180. Why it is so? Because they are co-interior angles. They are co-interior angles. Now put the values of this from here. Angle 1 plus Q. Q is of 110 degree, that is equal to 180. Now you subtract, you just transpose the 110 to that side. In that side it will become negative. So angle 1 will be equal to what? It will be 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degree. Here measure of angle 1 will be 170 degree. Similarly, now you take these two lines. Here these two lines are parallel and SR is transversal. So therefore angle 2 plus this angle S. Similarly, you can write directly angle 2 plus 130 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Reason you will mention because they are co-interior angles. Now from here angle 2 will be what? It will be 180 minus 130 and that is equal to 50. Now here you have find out the measure of angle 1 as well as angle 2. Now you have to use these two angles here. Now see this on this line XY, these three angles, angle 1, 3 and 2. All these three angles form the straight line angle. So you will write now angle 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 180 degree. And why it is so? Because they are straight line angles. So now you put the value of angle 1 and 2. Here angle 1, it is of 70 degree, you write 70 plus 2, angle 2 is of 50 degree plus angle 3, that is equal to 180. From here angle 3 is equal to 180. Now 70 plus 50, 120. When you will transpose, they will become negative. So angle 3 is equal to 60 degree. Or you can say angle QRS. Angle QRS is of 60 degree. So this is the solution of question number 4. Now let us move to the question number 5. All you should read the statement of this question. Make it fast. Read the statement, everyone. Stand. As I told earlier also, to understand these questions in a better way, it is very important to see the video of first video of this chapter. And in that video, I have explained the types of angles. If types of angle is clear in your mind, then nothing will be impossible or difficult in this chapter. So now let us start this question number 5. Stand. In this question you have given a triangle. It is here one line is this, and here this one is extended. You have this point A, P, this point is B, here this point is C, Q, R and D. Here measure of this angle is 50 degree. This point is X, this angle is X, then this angle is 127 degree, and you have given this one is as Y. So let us start from the given. Here in this question you have AB is parallel to CB, then angle APQ, it is 50 degree, and angle PRD, it is of 127 degree. This thing is given. Now just see here, as AB is parallel to CD and this line PQ is transversal. So therefore what will happen? Therefore this X is equal to what? That is equal to this angle. It is 50 degree. Region you will mention because they are alternate interior angle. Now you see, now PR, you write also PR is transversal. So therefore, if you take PR as transversal, therefore this complete angle 50 plus y, therefore 50 plus y, that is equal to this angle, that is 127. Again region is alternate interior angle. So from here y will be 127 minus 50. Then y will be how much? 77. So these two are the answers. So this is for the day. Thank you.